In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up PC folders to Google Drive. By the end, you'll have a reliable, automatic backup of your important files safely stored in the cloud, so they're available from any device and protected if something happens to your computer. You'll need a Google account, a stable internet connection, and enough free storage space in your drive to hold what you plan to back up. Start by getting the Google Drive for Desktop app. This is Google's official tool that connects your computer to your drive. Download and install it, then open the app and sign in with your Google account. After installation, you'll see the Drive icon in your system tray on Windows or the menu bar on Mac. Signing in links the app to your cloud storage so it can securely move files between your computer and Google Drive. Next, open the app's preferences. Click the Drive icon, open Settings, and choose Preferences. In the left-hand panel, look for the section labeled My Computer. This is where you tell the app which folders on your PC you want to protect. Click Add Folder to begin. This option lets you pick exactly what to include, rather than syncing your entire computer. When the File Chooser opens, navigate to the folder you want to back up. This could be something like Documents, Pictures, a project folder, or any custom directory you rely on. Take a moment to consider the size of the folder and whether it fits within your available Google Drive storage. Large folders may take time to upload, especially on slower connections, and the first backup can run for a while as everything is copied to the cloud. After selecting your folder, choose Sync with Google Drive. This tells the app to keep the folder in sync between your computer and the cloud. Any changes you make locally, adding files, editing documents, or reorganizing subfolders, will be reflected in Google Drive, and vice versa if you access the folder from another device. This is different from a one-time upload. It's a continuous automatic connection that helps keep everything current. Finally, click Done and then Save to start the backup. You'll see the app begin processing files right away. Keep your computer powered on and connected to the internet until the initial upload finishes. You can monitor progress from the Drive icon, and you can pause and resume if needed. Once complete, your selected folder is protected in the cloud, and future changes will sync automatically in the background. That's it, your PC folder is now backed up to Google Drive and ready whenever you need it.